Follow the steps on how to create a patterned glass effect like this in Photoshop. Let's start by opening an image. Before that, I will crop a little. Activate the rectangular marquee tool and make it like this. Fill it with a black and white gradient. Change the angle to 0. Press Ctrl-Alt-T to duplicate the object. Move the object to the side. Select it again. Then press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-T to repeat the duplicate. Select all and fix this part. Group all objects. Press Ctrl-S and rename the file. Make sure you save it in PSD. Now you can delete this. Create a rounded rectangle tool. I made it with this size. Adjust its position. Select the background layer and press Ctrl-J to duplicate. Move it to the top. Convert this layer to a smart object. Next, add a noise effect. Then go to the Filter Gallery. In the Distort folder, select Glass, then load Texture. Select the file you saved earlier. Adjust the distortion, smoothness, and scale here. Right-click and create a clipping mask. Then double-click on this layer to open the blending options. Activate Bevel and Emboss. You can set it like this. Then add a gradient overlay. Select black and white. Reverse if needed. Make sure it is in overlay mode. Select this layer and lock it if you want to move or resize the shape. Select and unlock, then double-click on the effect to edit it. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.